I started as a CEO with Cardiovascular Institute of the South in 1999. 14 years later, in 2013, I was very curious whether or not our success in Louisiana was because there was something unique to the state of Louisiana, or was our model just that special? And so we decided to experiment by going out of state. And so we formed Cardiovascular Logistics. And within 5 years, we had built just an amazing program.
Because that mission, I think, is so ingrained into the organization. I mean, it's really woven into the fabric. Everything that we do and everything that we say embraces wanting to deliver the best possible patient care and to change the way cardiovascular medicine is being delivered.
When you're practicing cardiology, and cardiology being one of the most sophisticated, highly technologically advanced specialties that exist in medicine, you need to be creative and you need to be innovative. Because ultimately, all we're trying to do is we're trying to provide the highest level of care using standardization, optimization, and doing that in the most efficient manner possible.
I would describe CVL's culture as very family-oriented. This fits in very nicely with the practices that have joined because they have very similar ideas about what healthcare is all about.
CVL's culture, it very much mimics the culture that CIS as the platform practice began with. The compassion sticks out to me. I always had that compassion for people, and it's been just a pleasure to be able to offer that at CIS.
CVL's culture is really about people taking care of people. A lot of our CVL executive team, we've all worked together for a really long time, so we have built relationships, and we all realize that we, are there to take care of our patients and try to improve quality. And what I'm seeing with the practices that are joining us is the same thing.
If you look at our mission statement as it still stands, and you look at our CVL mission statement, I mean, there is so much overlap. And so that was it. It was just a natural fit.
I think the culture at CIS feels like family when you're there. We have people who stay for a very long time, become very dedicated to our patients and our organization, and that's really been key to our success. From a physician standpoint, we have tried to encourage high physician satisfaction and strike a balance between work and life that is allowing us to be rejuvenated when we show up for work and continue to provide care to large numbers of patients for many, many years.
CVL's culture is one of respect, however, and I think this is very important, and I think that's a good basis. We wanted to make sure that we felt that we had a good fit in people that we could speak with and work with, and we felt that with this group.
But I was so pleasantly surprised to find such great other practices who joined us, who had the same culture. And at the end of the day, working in our system, it's not a job. It's not even a career, it's a calling.
The benefit of joining CVL is, one, it's about collaboration amongst the physicians and amongst the executive team, the networking just from meeting other physicians, meeting other practices, talking about best practices. At the end of the day, it's all about trying to create a best practice to be able to give the highest quality of care for our patients.
The CVL group has really an extraordinary foundation of a team. They have a mission to provide our patients the highest quality cardiovascular care available with 5 pledges: technological superiority, education, research, communication, and compassion. When you put that into principle and really take that into full comprehensive model, it is a quality-driven program to make sure that patients get excellence in care.
I would be very happy to say that the last 1.5 years, my practice patterns haven't changed. I haven't been forced to rethink the kind of patient care I would want to provide. I do the same thing that I've always done, take good care of my patients. Things have become really simplified because we are a part of a larger platform.
It's important that physicians have a voice in any sort of company in terms of the logistics of how it's run on a day-to-day basis, but also how care is delivered. We believe that physicians at heart want to deliver good quality cardiovascular care and want to do it in an efficient manner. So having physician buy-in, physician leadership is important because we think differently than an administrative person does, because we have a different scope of what we're trying to do. We think that it is an asset in the CVL platform that we are physician-owned.
The truth is all of us went into it because we love our patients, because we want people to feel better, we want people to live longer, we want to be able to deliver that care, and it just really felt like our priorities and CVL's really aligned.
Focusing on the patient, if that is your sole focus, that is great business. If you put physicians in charge of the practice of medicine, you're going to be successful. And it's just been an amazing experience to see this grow.
By holding yourself to high standards, remaining focused on the principle, I think it is a recipe for success for many years to come.
I actually believe that we are going to fundamentally change how cardiovascular care is delivered in our country. And I believe by fundamentally changing how we deliver care in this country, we are going to change the world.